So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you this effect. I mean some walkout type or some how to add how to place poster in any object like this. I mean how to add this banner or how to place banner in object like this. Okay, so let's start our video, and before starting this video, as I said to everyone, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Miro. So basically I have this image. So how to do it? So I have this image. So basically I want to place this image right here. So first of all, don't like stretch or do anything like this. Just take the image first of all like this here. Now place enter, and after entering just hit Ctrl T by selecting your element. Now just right click and keep it distort. After doing distort, just zoom it. Okay, now adjust the appropriate area like this. Just adjust the appropriate area. Okay, now adjust from here also. After this, just right click, go to perspective and just place it this. So you guys can do some operation like this by adjusting the opacity. Okay, same, just go here. Okay, after this just again right click, go distort, and or you guys can do right click and hit skew, but in skew just check properly it is working or not. Okay, now just doing like this. Okay, and again go to, so I mean like this, go distort, go skew, go perspective like this. You guys can do your appropriate work, but I prefer to go distort more because it's better working than skew option. Okay, so like this, just place around. Okay, now hit enter. After hit enter, now again Ctrl T and right click and to distort and little bit, just go this. So you see I have adjust. Now increase the opacity high. After increasing the opacity high, what guys you can do, just duplicate this layer or just hit this layer and off the previous layer. After this, take the object selection tool and drag it this layer, so you guys can get the object of this mask of this. Okay, after this, what guys can you do, what, just take this image and okay, another thing, just select again this layer. You guys can do object selection or any kind of tool, masking tool, just select properly. So I have select, but it's not working too much, so let me take a pen tool here. After this, just hit the pen tool like this, and it's a very simple thing to me. So right, so I hope you guys also feel this simple very easily. So let me fix this. Okay, and just hit here, right? Okay, it's fine. So let me hit control, or just you guys can hit control enter for now, and hit control enter. After hit control enter, just select the previous layer and on this layer mask option. Okay, now increase the feather little bit, so you get bring the feather, right? So it's look real. Now I have done this. After this, you guys can do some color grading, and for now in this area also, so I'm going to show the previous process. I mean the previous project what I've done in the previous image. So I'm going to show the previous image, so just go here, and after this I on this option. Now check what I've done. Just see this group. So I have done the same thing it here, right? After this, what I've done in here, just I have take this image, and same way I just doing this skew option, I mean skew distort, and I just down this opacity. And another thing also, just see this, after doing some adjustment I just take this layer and doing this lighten option, just change this to lighten. I may change the blending option to do more. Okay, so that's the thing. Here I have done this full, and here I have done this opacity. Now after doing all the things, you guys can add some filter, like you guys can image, go to image, adjust some, and then go to the curve. If I go to the curve here like this, and you guys can do some curve, right? Okay, so it will work, right? So same way, just placing in this area. So it's a cool technique to add your banner or poster in the object or in the, I mean, to more do realistic placing your banner in your object, particular object, or any type of advertisement purpose. Okay, to add your banner or add your poster like this, or any hoardings like. Okay, so that's the thing. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please share this video with others, and thank you for watching this video. As I said to everyone, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Miro.